Dear students, good day. How many of you want to get into a good job? And how many want to get into a dream company? And how many want to get into a company with good payback? Today, I am going to share the recipe for sure success and help you be job ready. I am Suresh Babu, an international certified performance coach from Gallups, USA. And getting a job in such tough time is still difficult because we haven't seen this type of tough time in the past 100 years. Three things you need to be clear about. First, your image and how do you manage that. Second, your soft skills and interpersonal ability. And the third is the mindset. Yes, I repeat, a mindset is essential. As an international performance coach, I do help leaders, business leaders enhance their performance multifold. And besides being a coach, I am also a speaker and a trainer. I was fortunate enough to serve organizations like Microsoft for about 8 years out of 24 years of my tenure. So it's almost 33%. Placement and job is the biggest outcome for any student, and the next few minutes I am going to share my personal view and thoughts around the same. While I was serving Microsoft Corporation, I hired multiple people, and the irony was 10 out of 1000 were hireable, or I can call it as good to hire. Only 10 out of 1000 were good to hire. So based on my experience, some important aspects which would help you crack an interview with ease and also get into an organization of repute with good payback are very essential things. Let me put it very simple. So please ensure that you are really good in terms of your academics. Besides that, the 3 points what I told is very crucial. And the most important is your mindset. So now first thing first. Friends, please understand, you cannot not communicate. When I say that, you are continuously communicating whether you are participating or not, whether you are contributing or not, whether you are doing something or not. Yes, please understand, you need to be hypersensitive that each one of us are under surveillance without video cameras. Yes, every action you take, every movement you do is being captured and observed, which is going to frame a perception about you. So, you need to spend 50% of your time. I repeat, you need to invest 50% of your time, energy, effort on honing communication skills. Your communication is very important. Then comes the clarity around the job. Don't look at the job as a job. Please start looking at career. What is the difference between career and job? Job is temporary, career is long term. Job is temporary, career is permanent. Job is short term, career is long term. So, job is a subset of career and don't make it completely separate. Plan your career well, and planning is vital for an effective career search. Seek insights by doing research, by speaking with your mentors and lecturers, and also look for perfect planning even for your higher education. It could be even for you to decide whether you want to get into a job or entrepreneurship. Any profession you wish, it has to be planned as a career beforehand. For you to be attracting the company of your choice, you must be attractive. Yes, you need to have a great mode of communication to express your need in line with the career plan what I was mentioning. And the best tool for this is your profile, is your CV. Please ensure that your resume, your profile, your CV is stunning, clear, crisp, and also concise. Resume is more than your Facebook page, as it gives you door, it opens the door for your professional life. The resume writing is a skill, as your resume creates the best first impression about you. Be aware of various formats, the content which should go into the resume, and also the impressive way of writing it. Refer few resumes, which must be, your resume must be better than your Facebook page. And the one job which your resume should do is, it should be smart enough to get you an interview call, period. Now that you are ready to face interview, you need to learn the nuances of interview handling skills, including overcoming fear, handling nervousness while facing the interview, and also be prepared for possible interview questions and learn more about interview etiquette and manners, besides knowing little bit about the company which is coming and interviewing you. Last but not the least is the art and science of group discussion and handling techniques of group discussions, besides the knowledge of current affairs, leadership skills, the approach for interviewing, confidence and assertiveness. And be aware of do's and don'ts of group discussion when this is a filter in your interview process. So friends, before I conclude, let me tell you, unless you are smart around your communication, clarity with your career plan, having a stunning profile, learning about the interview skills, and knowing everything about group discussion, you will not land in your dream job. The winning shot is the mindset. A positive mindset, an optimistic mindset, right from the start of the process and all through, is very essential. Whom you meet, what you speak, where you spend is very important in terms of having a good mindset. So, wish you good luck and feel free to reach me, and it's pretty easy to reach me through social media. All the very best. It's time for me to log off. Suresh Babu here, a performance coach. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. It was really nice spending time with you. Hope you got a couple of points to ponder as you get geared up for the real life. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Miss Nikita and Dr. A.K. Singh of IMI. Looking forward for more opportunities to interact. Thank you and bye-bye.